Dump every other puff puff recipe you have and try this puff puff. You will continue eating, like you can't even stop eating because the taste is so irresistible. So watch till the end of this video to learn this recipe. I welcome you specially to my channel. To my returning subscribers, thank you for always watching, and to my new subscribers, if you're just coming across my channel for the first time, please hit the subscription button. It's totally free and you are going to be learning a lot from this channel. You are going to be learning a lot. You can go through my videos and see the things I'm talking about. Now we are going to add in 2 cups of flour into a bowl, 1/4 cup of sugar. We're going to add in our nutmeg. We're going to add in our pinch of salt, our yeast. This recipe reminds me a lot of those days while in primary school and secondary school. This is the exact puff puff I normally buy. The puff puff has this unique taste because of the combination of onion and pepper inside. The puff puff has this nice taste, and this recipe is so straight to the point. There are no too much drama. You don't need plenty ingredients. You can just whip up this puff puff in your kitchen in a matter of 5 minutes and leave it to rise and fry it in your hot oil and enjoy yourself. So you should try out this recipe and leave a comment for me. Give me a feedback in the comment section. And also, if you're coming across my channel for the first time, welcome to Bake with Exotic Creamery. Here I teach a whole lot of things about baking, pastries, and upcoming bakers. I also coach upcoming bakers, so feel free to contact me. Location. I want to know where you are watching from, my lovely viewer. Where are you watching from? Which country are you watching from? Which state are you watching from? I want to connect with you. So once you notice your puff puff have risen to your satisfaction, it's time to add in our onion and pepper. Now don't add your onion and pepper when the puff puff has not risen. The pepper might alter the effect of the yeast and the batter will not rise very well. And mabinu, don't use your hand to mix after adding pepper unless your hand is now waterproof, that pepper cannot affect it again. If not, your hands will pepper you very well. Our puff puff is now ready. I'm going to be eating mine with a chilled bottle of malt. What will you be eating yours with? Because this puff puff is so nice. I ate and ate puff puff till I didn't even know when I remained just 4 pieces of it. So try out this recipe and leave a comment for me. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video.